Creating and selling online courses and tutorials about AI can be a rewarding venture. Here's a step by step guide to get you started. 1. Identify your niche. Determine the specific area of AI you want to focus on. Some popular topics include machine learning basics, deep learning, natural language processing, NLP, computer vision AI for business AI ethics, data science with AI 2. Define your target audience. Understand who your potential students are: beginners, intermediate learners, advanced practitioners, industry professionals. 3. Outline your course. Content. Break down your topic into manageable sections and modules. For example, Introduction to AI Fundamentals of Machine Learning, Understanding Neural Networks, Practical Applications of AI Projects and Case Studies. 4. Create the course material video lectures. Use screen recording software to create video tutorials. Make sure to include clear explanations, visuals, and examples. Written content. Develop comprehensive notes, guides, and ebooks to supplement your videos. Quizzes and assignments. Create quizzes and practical assignments to reinforce learning. Projects. Include hands-on projects to help students apply their knowledge. 5. Choose a platform to host your course. Udemy, a popular platform with a large audience. Coursera, great for reaching a professional audience, though you may need to partner with an institution. Teachable, allows more control over pricing and branding. Skillshare, good for shorter skill-based courses. 6. Set up your course upload. Content, upload your videos, notes, and other materials to your chosen platform. Course structure, organize your course into sections and modules. Pricing, set a price for your course. Consider offering discounts or free trials to attract initial students. 7. Promote your course social media. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to reach potential students. Email marketing. Build an email list and send newsletters to promote your course. Content marketing. Write blog posts, create YouTube videos, or join forums to share valuable content and drive traffic to your course. Collaborations. Partner with influencers or other educators to promote your course. 8. Engage with your students. Interactive sessions. Hold live Q&A sessions or webinars. Community building. Create a forum or social media group for students to interact and support each other. Feedback. Collect feedback from students to improve your course and address any issues. 9. Update and improve your course. AI is a rapidly evolving field, so keep your course content up to date with the latest developments and best practices. Regularly update your material and add new modules or case studies. 10. Expand your offerings. Once your first course is successful, consider creating additional courses on related topics or more advanced subjects to build a comprehensive learning path for your students.